Malnutrition is defined as pathological state resulting from relative or absolute deficiency of one or more essential nutrients. Kwashiorkor is a form of malnutrition caused by inadequate protein intake in the presence of fair to good energy intake. Malnutrition is common in children between age of above 1 year 2 years. Under nutrition, it is the outcome of insufficient food. It is caused primarily by an inadequate intake of dietary or food energy. Undernutrition means marasmus. Then coming to definition of severe acute malnutrition. Weight for height of 70% extreme wasting and presence of bilateral pitting edema of nutritional origin, edematous malnutrition, mid upper arm circumference of less than 115 mm in children aged 1 to 5 years old is called as severe acute malnutrition. Then coming to kwashiorkor, clinical syndrome resulting from a severe deficiency of protein and inadequate caloric intake. The main causes of the kwashiorkor is factors that affecting protein needed. Age, child needs more protein. Size, bigger persons need more protein. Sex, male needs more than female. Danger, increases need due to stress hormones, exercise, increased need for alanine, fever increases needs of protein, and growth increases needs of protein. Then coming to etiological factors, deficiency intake of protein, impaired absorption of protein as in chronic diarrheal states, abnormal loss of protein in proteinuria, infections like TB, hemorrhage or burns, failure of protein synthesis as in chronic liver diseases. Coming to kwashiorkor. It is a clinical syndrome resulting mainly undernutrition due to severe deficiency of protein, fat, and carbohydrates, inadequate calories supply. Etiology of marasmus. Dietic causes, scanty milk, improper weaning, and over diluted formula, feeding difficulties as cleft lip, vomitings, diarrhea, anorexia, stomatitis, malabsorption syndrome, cardiac abnormalities, prematurity. Clinical features of marasmus characterized by severe wasting, weight less than 60%, loss of subcutaneous fat, severe wasting of muscles and subcutaneous fats, severe growth retardation, child looks older than his age or senile face, no edema or hair changes, alert but miserable, hungry. Temperature is usually subnormal. Marasmus, a thin old face or monkey faces, baggy pants, the loose skin of the buttocks hanging down. There is no edema of the lower extremities. The grade 1 wasting starts in axilla and groins and wasting extended to thigh and buttocks, and grade 3 chest and abdomen and wasting of buccal pads of fat also. Then coming to clinical features of the kwashiorkor. Depending on the severity and duration, nutritional deprivation, the age and presence or absence of associated infections. Then the kwashiorkor clinical manifestations are essential features like marked growth retardation, psychomotor changes, wasting of muscles, dependent pitting edema. In the general appearance, fat, sugar, baby appearance. Skin changes, hyperpigmentation, discrimination and dyspigmentation, flaky paint, dermatosis, and animal spots, typically involving buttocks, perineum, and upper thighs, and mucous membrane lesions, smooth tongue, scoliosis, angular stomatitis, herpes simplex stomatitis, edema, muscle wasting, hypotonic and unable to stand or walk. And hair changes, hypopigmented hair, sparseness and change in texture, easy pluckability and flag signs. Mental changes are lethargy, apathetic, poor appetite, difficult to feed, and GA manifestations, diarrhea, infections, parasitic infestations, mucosal atrophy, enteropathy to anemia, liver enlargement, fatty liver, mineral and vitamin deficiency, super added infections are tuberculosis, bronchopneumonia, measles, and enteritis. Then comparison of features of kwashiorkor and marasmus, and growth failure is present in both types, and wasting is present in both, and edema is present in the kwashiorkor, absent in marasmus, and hair changes are common in kwashiorkor, less common in the marasmus, and mental changes are very common in kwashiorkor, uncommon in marasmus, and dermatosis and flaky paint is common in kwashiorkor, does not occur in marasmus, and appetite is poor in kwashiorkor, good in marasmus, and anemia is severe condition in kwashiorkor and present and less severe in marasmus, and cutaneous fat reduced but present in kwashiorkor, absent in marasmus. Face may be edematous in kwashiorkor and draw in and monkey-like face in marasmus, and fatty infiltration of liver is present in kwashiorkor and absent in marasmus. These are the signs and symptoms and causes and definitions of the malnutrition. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like and share. Thank you.